where my dental surgeon has done a procedure and later blood has not stopped because he have not taken care of that. Patient got admitted to hospital and died because of the blood loss. I've got a case where infection has led to death. So multiple cases I have already got. That's the reason I'm warning you. In a criminal case, please be careful. I will narrate the case not related to dental, but some surgeon's case, because you are also a surgeon, where to get a bail was difficult task. This was a case of ENT surgeon who has posted a patient for tonsil abscess. 2 o'clock admitted a patient in the hospital. Send an investigation to the same hospital, laboratory. 4 o'clock, he got the report and everything was normal. 5 o'clock, posted a patient to OT. Medical mishap has happened. Patient died. It has gone for the opinion to expert. Expert is opinioned that one opinion that when fruit was observed, clear indication of pulmonary edema, why diuretic Lasix give it after 45 minutes? Okay, that's fine. But second was really Dracula's, because in this case, when body was handed over to the police, that time only IPT paper was handed over. And routine habit of the hospital that investigation comes later, which goes in a file. So investigation report was not there in the file. And it has gone to the expert committee. And since report was not there, expert committee opinioned that either investigation not done or not documented. My friend, not done or not documented was interpreted by lawyer in a court of law to convert 304 into 304 plane, and according to him, law is absolute. So when it is mentioned not documented, not done, he convinced the court that there's no question of non-documentation. If it is not there, then it is not done. And doctor has proceeded without doing any investigation, having a knowledge that it can lead to death, and death has happened. 10 years punishment. We got a bail, that is a different issue altogether. But this is the new thing which is happening. But again, in spite of all this section, I will definitely tell to all my friends, never ever get terrified, because law is there to protect us, not to harass us. And that can be seen in 2005 triple bench. Honorable Supreme Court has given a beautiful interpretation of 304A in a Jacob Matthews case and formed a guidelines in 2005. And today also in 2023, still holding good, and we are not getting arrested on the spot. Where the judgment has defined occupational medical negligence versus professional medical negligence. Means negligence done by the driver and negligence done by the doctor. And court has said, doctor does not do anything intentionally. If at all we don't protect them, then in society there will be chaos, because with fearful hand, he cannot do a surgery. With fearful mind, he cannot give a justice to the patient. So their protection is needed. So professional medical negligence must be seen in different angle. And what they said, to fasten criminal liability against the doctor, the negligence must be gross. Gross means which can be seen from the eyes, or high degree of negligence. So beautifully narrated, my friend. And the same judgment has very categorically said, my friend, that medical science is a complex science. And human body is a complex machine. Hence, if doctor has given all the care, even in medical accident in the form of death, they should not be criminally held liable. So beautiful judgment, my friend. So you cannot be. And knowing that, in spite of that, police officer can harass the doctor, they formed the guidelines. And they said, medical science is the exact science. It is not expected that every judges will be aware about medical science, or police authority will be knowing the medical science, or advocate, maybe complainant are aware about medical science. Hence, if at all any criminal liability need to be fastened against the doctor, it must be referred to expert committee of doctors, preferably of same field, So if a dental case, there should be a dental surgeon and preferably from government hospital. And because of this procedure, spot arrest is avoided because police have to investigate, collect all medical record, take a statement, send to the committee, and committee will take enough time for giving opinion until the time my doctor is not arrested. You got ample opportunity to approach the court. So there's no table arrest or on the spot arrest. So not to worry about all this phenomena, because the same court said that if police authorities still go out of the way and arrest my doctor, then contempt petition must be initiated against them and they should be punished. And there, the reason is that, my friend, in criminal liability, we have been safeguarded in this country. So never ever get feared. In spite of there is a good liability, I will advise that take care of your medical practice, focus on medical record, let opinion comes, never ever get terrified with any summons. You're not going to get arrested or police calls or on table death when police arrives. You are absolutely safe in this country when I talk about criminal liability. But the same thing applies to civil liability, where court has gone a step ahead and said every simple medical negligence is actionable under civil code. So your prescription also can be troublesome to you. Remember, my friend, I say again this word, law is absolute, 2 into 2, 4. There's no third option. So your prescription is dangerous. I am saying all this with my experience. Let me give an example to make you understand why I mean. Normally, I found that every single doctor gives a prescription which have got 4 drugs. One, they give painkiller, analgesic. Second, they give antibiotic to the patient. Third, they give PPI drug, Omez D or Omeprazole D, something like that. And fourth, they write multivitamins. It is a normal prescription in the country. My friend, the first drug is 2 or 3 drug combination. Second is 2 or 3 drug combination. Third is 2 drug combination. Fourth is 6 drug combination. You yourself go to Google and put all this drug and ask for drug interaction. You will amazed to see that there is a drug interaction. And if it is drug interaction, law is absolute. You will be held for deficiency in service. So simple medical negligence, even for the pain, people are going to the court of law. So every simple medical, it is proven or not proven. You may win the case, but still patients are going to the court of law. And upper level is gone. In dental cases, I have started getting a cases of 1 crore also, which was not seen earlier. 2 crore also, which was not seen earlier. So in dental cases, 10 lakh, 15 lakh, 20 lakhs is common. Even in tooth extraction, people are demanding 10 lakh rupees. In implant and wherever these major things are, they are demanding 50,000. I've got a case where 50 lakhs case has been put because for bridge, tooth was removed and implant was not possible in the patient. The patient got sensitivity and pain. And this patient went to the court of law and practically been troubled. So be careful, my friend. Be careful.